Hi, I'm Deborah, and this is
Maggie.
and that's Carter. And we're from the 365 Magical Days of Travel, and I went to Claire's this afternoon and had a bit of a shopping spree. But they have these mystery bags of ears, and we have 4 of them. Now, when I went to one store, somebody had gone through and opened all of them because I guess there was some sort of contest. You could win Disneyland tickets.
What is wrong? What is up with that? I mean, that's terrible.
I know, it's awful. But anyway, so 3 of them I have seen because I couldn't not see it, you know, but Maggie hasn't seen them. So we're gonna start with those.
Are my lips blue?
Okay.
They look blue.
Okay, you ready? You want to open it?
Okay. Is this the one that's taped?
So let's show what it looks like. It's Minnie Mouse mystery ears, and these are the possibilities. So you could get one that you don't know what it looks like. You get these that are purple, sparkly. You could get these that are polka dot. Yeah, that's just showing that's how you open it.
Yeah.
And you could get these like blue and white ones, I guess they kind of
I
are.
really like that.
And then these multicolored ones. These I think are my favorite.
And
So-
a mystery one. Wait, can I
And then a mystery one, which we don't know what that one would look like. Okay, so Maggie is opening that one.
Okay. Can I open one?
Yeah, you want to open one? Whoa. Which
Wait a
one do we
minute, is
have
this on here? Yeah, it is.
Oh, or is that the, no, that's that one. Okay, so show the camera what you got.
This one's really
Oh,
pretty.
it's so pretty. You
Kinda
want to wear
no,
those?
I wanna
Okay,
try it.
she's gonna try those on.
My turn.
Okay, so let's get the next one.
Oh my gosh,
Carter's
these
gonna do the
bands
next
are
one.
amazing.
Aren't they?
They don't like press it on your, what are these called? On the back of your ears.
Can I
open it? These are really nice.
Can I open it?
Yeah, open it. Okay. So which one do we have now? Ooh, are you gonna show the camera? Oh,
Sorry,
did we win?
But we're sorry, but you do not have the winning ticket.
Oh, we didn't win. Actually,
No,
the
I can
contest
tell.
is over.
I can tell already somebody already opened it. Look, there's a little crease right there.
Well, they could have just like
Folded.
folded the bag. Okay, so
Yeah. Oh my
so Carter,
gosh.
do you want to try this one?
Feel this. Feel this. It's like
So
soft.
soft.
Oh
Okay,
my
so
God.
Carter's gonna wear
Yeah, it
those.
feels- it feels
Okay,
good.
and now it's my turn.
Where do I put this? I'm just gonna put it on the floor. Ooh.
Okay,
Is that the close one?
no.
Oh, I'm not wearing lipstick. My lipstick is blue from far away.
The colored one.
Okay, so we got the multicolored ones with the red bow.
Can you look inside
Sounds
it?
really
So,
good.
yeah,
Can
these
you look
are.
inside it to see if we have the winning?
No. People looked at.
Yeah,
they
there's a card in here.
They would have
Oh, I thought
bought.
there was a card in here. Oh, it fell on the floor.
They would have bought it if it was the winning
Is
ticket.
this your card? No, this is not creased. We're sorry, but you do not have the winning ticket. They said that you can also win by entering or something like that. So we'll have to look on that card and see like if there's a way to enter with that.
Another?
Stop! Don't.
Okay.
I asked you not to touch.
Can
Okay, so Maggie is gonna do the honors with this
I?
one.
Wait a minute. This isn't. Ooh. This is the one that isn't open.
No, that one's not open, so we don't
What?
know which one that's gonna be. Could be the mystery one, could be one of the others.
Oh my God, this is
that we already
impossible.
have.
I can't even open this.
I don't know. Yeah, I think they made it hard so that you couldn't open them in the store.
Okay, I'm gonna get scissors.
Look, I got scissors right here.
Okay. No.
Okay, no. Let me put it. I want to make sure there's nothing by it.
So you don't cut the ears.
Okay. Are you gonna peek?
Oh.
Same one.
Same one.
Oh, so
Oh, we can be twinsies.
We
We can be twinsies.
We can be twinsies. Okay, so
That's a
Maggie
good one.
doesn't know this, but Claire's, when I went there, had a buy 3, get 3 free.
Wait,
and
what?
when we went to Claire's, they told us, no, you can't use it on any of the licensed products, but the Claire's that I went to at Paradise Valley Mall, they said, oh, aren't you going to get 3 more things? Because you can get them for free. And I said, well, those other 2 things are not mine. And so I decided to
Wait, what?
go ahead and
This is a
get
complete surprise. I don't even know this is happening.
things for free. So
What?
we bought
Oh.
these.
Wait, what? I didn't know you
multicolored
bought
ears.
these.
Look at on the back. Isn't that so pretty? And they're so soft. They have like padding. They're like, they feel a little more chintzy.
Did you already open those?
Chintzy than the other, like the regular parks, Disney parks
No,
ears.
these are the ones that you just bought.
That,
What?
the regular Disney parks ears that you get. But don't touch. I'm bringing them out one at a time. They're more comfortable. I feel like they're a lot more
These are
comfortable.
small. They look kind of smaller.
And yeah, and I think they might be like a little mini ears. Mini. So one of the colors I got was the rose gold, and we already have like regular rose gold, so she and I could be twinsies too with the rose gold.
Or Carter.
And then I like these pair.
Oh wow.
Black.
That's
It's
just
very
like the simple.
fancy and plain.
It's not fancy. It's
well,
plain.
not fancy, like sophisticated. That's what I was going for.
More.
And then there's one more, the coup d'etat, the unicorn ears.
Give
with
me
the
that.
flowers
Give me
on
that.
it.
Is this one mine?
I can't wear all of the ears at the same time, so
I'm just putting this on top of my other one.
yeah. So anyway, you'll have to check with your Claire's to see if they actually do the buy 3 get 3 free, because not all of the Claire's will do that.
Hey,
Having the sale that they have right now. But I paid for all of these ears. It was 9 pairs of ears. I paid $75 for them.
That is cheap.
So yeah, so it turns out to be about around $8 a pair. So anyway, get yourself to Claire's. It's a lot of fun. Bye.